वेलकम बैक। नए साल में नई फिल्मों के साथ एक और चीज है जिसका सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार होता है और वो है स्टार्स के sizzling New Year calendars. And one that's the most sought after is ace photographer Dabu Ratnani's calendar. So we have in the studio the man himself. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
तो इस कैलेंडर की USP की बात करते हैं.
ये मेरा 13th कैलेंडर है. It's been 13 years जब से मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया है ये कैलेंडर. And the calendar this time obviously has 12 actors and 12 actresses. We have 24 actors. And there's 12 guys where we have Mr. Bachchan, we have Shah Rukh, we have Abhishek, Farhan Akhtar, Salman, there's Akshay, there's Ritesh Deshmukh, there's from the girls you have Aishwarya, you have Priyanka, you have Asin, Deepika, who am I forgetting? Anushka for the first time in my calendar, and yeah, everybody, Kajol.
It also sounds like the people who are really on the top of their game, the hottest property. Is that true?
It's not like that actually. You know, it's who I, like I said, who I work with a lot in the year.
आपके कैलेंडर के लिए stars go all out. They like being experimental. They're bold.
I strongly feel जैसे Vidya Balan also is a part of this calendar because I always felt that she has a great appeal and can look sexy in pictures. And I feel today people look at her different. I feel somewhere I am responsible for
give her that sensuous mark.
I think so. Yeah.
और इस कैलेंडर में कोई ऐसा experimental shot जो आप हमारे साथ share कर सकते हैं? What has been like the most challenging one?
Yeah, there was one shot I did with Farhan Akhtar. Farhan's this is the third time he's featured in my calendar, and I've taken a room and flooded it with water up to the knees, and he's sitting on a couch like this, knee-deep water, and the whole room is flooded. You know, so that was a very interesting shot to do because we had to actually create that set and then put lots of water everywhere.
The stars are very monetized in their behavior and approach. Endorsements हो, appearances हो, but आपके लिए this is definitely a free support.
Right.
तो वहाँ पे कुछ convincing चाहिए होती है? Or this
नहीं, I think people know that this. I don't take any sponsors. सब stars को पता है कि I fund this myself. It's a project that I do for. It's like an art piece. They know जब हमने start किया था calendar, we used to not pay, or I can't afford to pay any of the actors. And similarly, they know that obviously this is Dabu's pet project, and you know they do it for me. So I don't think there's any issue about money there. Yeah.
So now in the 13th year, it's the same strategy. No business model as such.
No business model. I don't think because it's only fair कि अगर कोई मेरे लिए ये free कर रहा है, including your makeup people, the hairdressers, the stylists, the actors themselves, कोई भी मुझे charge नहीं करता shoot के लिए. तो I think it's unfair for me to make money on them. You know.
So it's just a depiction of art and creativity at all levels.
Absolutely.
What about the production value? I'm sure there's some investment is required.
A lot of investment. Lots of other people who work for the calendar. Obviously, I can't, not pay them. So I spend a lot of money also. Just like I said, पहले क्या होता था हमारे studio पे सब आ जाते थे, shoots हो जाते थे. So the costs were much lower. Now to create a set or to book a studio and to create a set in that and do the shoot, your vanity vans, all those things, the costs are all borne by me. So I look at it as कि अगर मैंने ये साल में 10 new contacts पा लिए or I get 10 new assignments, my cost is covered.
And 24 stars and the production around it, it does sound big. Is there like an average spend you have per year on a calendar?
I'd say in the range of 20 lakhs is what my cost is. Somewhere there. Today, this calendar is, if you count, it's priceless because how would you value 24 huge actors in one product? You know, I mean, any sponsor would pay me how much ever money I would ask for, but
that was going to be my next question.
Less because
अभी भी आपको आता है कैसे?
हाँ बिल्कुल. मुझे every year I get calls from, can we put a logo, calendar में logo डाल सकते हैं क्या हम can we get involved in some way with the calendar? You know what happens is that I tried honestly to get a sponsor for like the calendar party, the launch, and I thought that okay, at least the party part can be covered by another sponsor and I can do a big launch party. But क्या हो जाता है कि the whoever's paying that kind of money for the launch is expecting a lot.
Visibility.
You know, and then I don't want the actors to think that I've made a crore on the calendar or something like that, you know, because I've not. And so I said, forget it, I'll just pay for it
कहीं ना कहीं
myself.
tempting तो होता होगा अगर आप अपने 20 लाख
Not
बचा
really.
सकते हैं.
Today, if I do decide to make money, I'll put royalty and pay everybody pro rata if I have to do it, you know. But I don't think it's worth it. I think
But
the commercial value will come and destroy the art value of it.
But there's already something like that in the market on the web जहाँ पे corporates and some starlets like Sherlyn Chopra
Right.
अपने calendar निकाल रहे हैं उनको web पे उन्होंने डाला है. So do you think there's like a business scope there?
You know, in India, I feel it's लोगों को calendar खरीदने के लिए, I feel people are not ready for it. We've always been gifted calendar. Used to that free gift of a calendar. Like abroad, people buy a Madonna calendar or people buy Rockstar calendars. But I don't think India people are yet ready.
So if I ask you that one main reason for this calendar, I mean, is that PR activity or personal creativity and growth? आप क्या कहेंगे?
It's personal growth, personal creativity and growth. Because, like I said, I'm constantly wanting to outdo my calendar. Today, I feel that tomorrow, when my calendar is launched, people will say this is your best work, and that's what I want. I mean, Hrithik Roshan has walked into all my calendar launch parties and says, "Dabs, this is your best." That's
Yet.
it.
This is what you think.
Yeah, you know. So I mean, that's
Wait,
it. That's
next
it.
year.
I said, "Bus." I mean, that's achieved.
Well, your passion is definitely very evident. Thank
Thank
you for
you.
being on the show.
Thank you.
And inspiring us all.
Thank you very much.